Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health tips. I don't think people understand how crucial their kidneys are. Your kidneys work hard every single day. They filter your blood to remove waste and excess fluids. This process helps maintain a healthy balance of water, salts and minerals in your body. They also help control your blood pressure, and they keep your bones healthy by producing an active form of vitamin D. But sometimes our kidneys need help too. Kidney disease often has no symptoms in its early stages. That's why it's called a silent disease. Many people don't realize they have it until it's advanced. It's important to catch kidney disease early through regular checkups. Early detection makes treatment more effective and can slow the progression of the disease. Don't wait for signs of trouble. Talk to your doctor about your kidney health. A simple blood and urine test can check how well your kidneys are working. These tests are quick and can provide crucial information about your kidney function. Remember, prevention and early detection are key. Take charge of your kidney health today. By staying informed and proactive, you can help ensure your kidneys stay healthy for years to come. Your body has clever ways of telling you when something isn't right. It sends out signals, often subtle, that something might be amiss. These signs are your body's way of communicating that it needs attention. Pay attention to these signs. They are not just random occurrences, but could be early warnings of underlying health issues. They could be early warnings of kidney disease, a condition that often goes unnoticed until it's quite advanced. Feeling tired. All the time, do you find yourself feeling drained and fatigued no matter how much rest you get? Do you feel exhausted even after a good night's sleep? This persistent tiredness can be more than just a sign of a busy life. This could be a sign that your kidneys aren't filtering waste properly. When your kidneys are not functioning well, toxins build up in your body, leading to fatigue. Trouble sleeping. Are you tossing and turning at night, struggling to get a good night's sleep? Waste buildup in your blood can make it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. This can lead to a vicious cycle of fatigue and insomnia. Dry, itchy skin. Does your skin feel itchy even after moisturizing? Persistent itchiness can be more than just a skin issue. Itchy skin can be a sign that your kidneys aren't balancing the minerals in your blood properly. This imbalance can cause your skin to become dry and irritated. Changes in urination. Keep an eye out for changes in your bathroom habits. Your urine can tell you a lot about your kidney health. Are you going more often, especially at night? Frequent urination can be a sign of kidney issues. Is your urine foamy or bubbly? This can indicate the presence of excess protein, a sign of kidney malfunction. These changes could signal a problem with your kidneys. Don't ignore these signs. Consult a healthcare professional to get the right diagnosis and treatment. Some symptoms mean you need to see a doctor right away. Don't delay. Ignoring these signs can lead to severe health complications. It's crucial to listen to your body and act promptly. These symptoms could signal serious kidney problems. Kidney issues can escalate quickly, so early detection is key. Foamy urine. If you notice your urine is consistently foamy or bubbly, this could be a sign of protein in your urine, which is a key indicator of kidney damage. This condition, known as proteinuria, often indicates that your kidneys are not filtering waste properly. Swelling. Are your ankles, feet, or face swollen? This could mean your kidneys aren't removing excess fluid from your body. Swelling or edema is a common symptom of kidney dysfunction and should not be ignored. Metallic taste in your mouth. A metallic taste, like you've been sucking on pennies, can be a sign of waste buildup in your blood. This unpleasant taste can affect your appetite and overall nutrition. Ammonia. Breath. Does your breath have a strong ammonia-like smell? This is another sign of waste buildup and requires immediate medical attention. This symptom often accompanies advanced kidney disease and should prompt you to seek medical advice without delay. Your kidneys are amazing organs. They act like filters, cleaning your blood around the clock. Inside each kidney are millions of tiny filters called nephrons. Nephrons remove waste products, excess water and toxins from your blood. These waste products leave your body as urine. Your kidneys also help control your blood pressure and make hormones that keep your bones strong. When your kidneys aren't working properly, waste builds up in your blood. This can lead to serious health problems. Take care of your kidneys. They work hard for you.